Welcome, seekers of spiritual growth and self-discovery, to our YouTube channel. Today we embark on a transformative journey as we delve into the profound topic of walking the spiritual path alone. Have you ever felt the calling to explore the depths of your own being, to uncover the mysteries of your soul, and to forge a spiritual path that is uniquely yours? Join us as we unravel these compelling reasons and benefits of walking the spiritual path alone. In this beloved video, you discover the essence of authenticity as we dive into how walking the spiritual path alone allows you to embrace your true self, free from external influences. Let us dive in. Segment 1. Key: Self-discovery. Walking the spiritual path alone provides a space for deep self-exploration and self-discovery. Without external influences shaping your beliefs and experiences, you can embark on a personal journey to understand your true nature, values, and purpose. Through introspection, meditation, and self-reflection, you can uncover your authentic self, allowing for personal growth and alignment with your core essence. Segment 2. Authenticity. When you walk the spiritual path alone, you have the freedom to explore and develop your spirituality in a way that is true to your individuality. You're not bound by the expectations or dogmas of any particular spiritual tradition. This freedom allows you to cultivate a genuine and authentic spiritual identity that resonates deeply with your beliefs, experiences, and values. Segment 3. Freedom of exploration. Choosing to walk the spiritual path alone gives you the freedom to explore a wide range of spiritual teachings, practices, and philosophies. You can study various traditions, philosophies, and modalities, and selectively incorporate elements that resonate with you. This freedom of exploration nurtures open-mindedness and fosters a broader understanding of spirituality, leading to a more inclusive and holistic spiritual perspective. Segment 4. GUMROAD, Individual Growth and Empowerment. Walking the spiritual path alone empowers you to take full responsibility for your own growth and development. Without relying on external authorities or structures, you become self-reliant, self-disciplined, and self-motivated. This self-empowerment enables you to overcome challenges, push your boundaries, and reach new levels of personal and spiritual growth. Segment 5. IC, Personalized Pace. Walking the spiritual path alone allows you to set your own pace of progress. You are not bound by external expectations or timelines, enabling you to focus on areas that require attention and growth at any given moment. This personalized pace ensures that your spiritual journey remains authentic and tailored to your individual needs and priorities, fostering a sense of self-awareness and personal fulfillment. Segment 6. Deepening Self-Reflection. Solitude on the spiritual path provides ample opportunities for deep self-reflection and introspection. By intentionally spending time alone, you can quiet external distractions and immerse yourself in inner contemplation. This practice allows you to listen to your inner voice, access deeper layers of your consciousness, and gain clarity about your beliefs, desires, and life purpose. Through self-reflection, you can identify patterns, heal emotional wounds, and gain profound insights into your own psyche. Segment 7. Cultivating Inner Guidance. Walking the spiritual path alone encourages you to rely on your inner guidance and intuition as the primary source of wisdom. Without external authorities or structures dictating your beliefs and practices, you learn to trust your own insights and inner knowing. This cultivation of inner guidance strengthens your ability to make decisions that align with your true self and higher purpose, fostering self-confidence and self-trust. Segment 8. Embracing solitude. Solitude becomes a powerful catalyst for spiritual growth when walking the path alone. By intentionally embracing solitude, you create a space for uninterrupted self-reflection, healing, and connecting with your inner self. Solitude provides an opportunity to detach from external distractions, engage in deep introspection, and nurture a profound sense of inner peace. It is within the stillness of solitude that you can access deeper layers of consciousness and experience the presence of the divine within you. Segment 9. Personal empowerment. Walking the spiritual path alone empowers you to reclaim your personal power. By relying on your own inner resources and wisdom, you become less dependent on external validation or authority figures. This autonomy allows you to make choices that are in alignment with your truth, values, and intuition, fostering a sense of personal empowerment and liberation. You recognize that you have the ability to shape your own spiritual journey and consciously co-create your reality. Segment 10. Deeper connection with the divine. The solo spiritual journey often leads to a deeper connection with the divine or higher consciousness. By removing external distractions and influences, you create a sacred space for a profound and direct communion with the spiritual realms. Through practices like meditation, prayer, or contemplation, you can access states of heightened awareness, experience transcendence, and develop a profound sense of oneness with the universe. This deeper connection with the divine nurtures spiritual guidance, inspiration, and a sense of purpose and meaning in life. It's important to remember that while walking the spiritual path alone offers numerous benefits, seeking guidance, support, and community from like-minded individuals can also be valuable at different stages of the journey. Balance between solitude and communal experiences can contribute to a well-rounded and enriching spiritual path. As we come to the end of our exploration into walking the spiritual path alone, we hope that you've gained valuable insights and a deeper understanding of the incredible benefits that await you on this journey. Remember, embracing solitude and self-discovery allows you to cultivate authenticity, freedom, and personal empowerment. By trusting your inner guidance and connecting with the divine within, you open yourself up to profound growth and transformation. We encourage you to continue exploring, reflecting, and expanding your spiritual horizons. Whether you choose to walk this path alone or seek the support of a community, remember that your journey is unique and sacred. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening adventure. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more empowering discussions on personal and spiritual growth. Until next time, may your path be filled with wisdom, joy, and the boundless love of the universe. Keep shining your light and walking your spiritual path with courage and authenticity.